Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, December 4th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. So remember the S&P went out with a double distribution day on Friday. We spent a good part of the overnight right at the lower end of the upper distribution, but now as pre-market's been trading, look where we've been trading, filling a lot of volume right in where the distributions are separated. So the big line in the sand this morning will be which distribution are we going to play in? Will it be the lower one? Will it be the upper one? If it's the upper one, ES eventually could take out Friday's high and start going towards their new yearly high. Remember, SPY made one. If it's in the lower end, sellers will try to take out Friday's low to bring the daily back to balance. Remember, the weekly still very healthy, one time framing up 5 weeks. NQ, on the other hand, is in a 2-week balance after last week taking out last week's low. They did not hold trend on Friday, so they're just trading in the middle of their day right at half back. I expect a lot of chop in NQ inside of that if that's to stay inside value, inside of balance. But look at Righty. Righty with the very, very strong triple distribution day up Friday, and look at this follow through looking for a gap this morning. Remember, they are the laggards. Okay, I'm not looking for them to come anywhere near, a high, an all-time high, I should say, maybe a yearly high at some point. But they have been the laggards, so they're trying to make up for that. So game plan early for this morning. You can look to see where the overnight low is. If you're going to front run it, just remember you will be inside balance, inside value, inside the lower distribution. But that would be kind of a very important level for bulls to hold. So you can front run that. If they take out the overnight low, it'd be out because there's not much between there and Friday's low. And on the flip side, if they're to push up, I don't think I would take a short against the lower end of the upper distribution. I'd want to see what kind of reaction we get. Remember, we had a 9Y point of control, which is going to be a downside destination. It's now an upside. So we'd see what happens again if we get around that 4,600 level, where if you want, maybe you could possibly take a short against that and use the overnight high as you're out. Again, early plays in the room. In the room, you're getting these, obviously, throughout the entire trading day. Here's the weekly. 5 weeks in a row, one time framing up. Not a big range last week, just $6.31. Eventually, you would like to come into some sort of balance on the weekly to shake out some of the week longs and then maybe get a stronger push up towards the end of the year. But so far, as you can notice, we're getting distance away from each previous high. So that's positive, right? It shows you the trend might not be slowing just yet. And then on the daily, we came out of a 6-day balance to the upside on Friday. 89 million on the day. Nothing great, but certainly better than average. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.